So this morning, we got another announcement from T-Mobile. And once again, we have another partnership. Lucid Drone Technology taps T-Mobile to power commercial cleaning drones. So the industrial spraying drones plus IoT connectivity can reduce risk and cut costs for exterior cleaning. So again, T-Mobile has another partnership. They already announced a partnership with another company for drones. Now they have another partnership with drones. Now, I still think Verizon did end up getting the bigger partnership. I believe, if I remember correctly, Verizon got I think they got the UPS drone delivery partnership through UPS, where, they're going to deliver packages using Verizon's millimeter wave network, or that was their partnership announcement last year. I think that happened last year. And T-Mobile is getting, they're getting some of that action too. So that's good to see. So they're utilizing their scale of the 5G mid-band, and they're starting to bring in these partnerships. Like they stated, they have win rates now on business. So like I said in the previous video, we're going to start hearing and seeing more of these announcements throughout the year. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Again, this is more revenue intake for T-Mobile, and these employees and higher up management or whatnot are going to start talking word of mouth, and then maybe they get T-Mobile for their personal lines and their neighbors. So this is all going to have a domino effect across the board for T-Mobile. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. We got earnings from T-Mobile on Wednesday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload content. Make sure to follow my social media outlets for more updates and interactions. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.